Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Hyundai Elantra. In this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your battery in case if you have to. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. And here we go. Find the stand. Put it in place. Alright, so here we have our battery. To get our battery out we have to remove the bracket, remove the terminals. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do now. Actually, don't be afraid, it's very simple procedure. Everyone can do this. For this procedure, what we're gonna need, only thing is actually which is gonna be required is a long like 10 millimeter socket with a ratchet and long extension. Okay, why? Because we have to get this bolt out, which is right here. Okay, if you have shorter one you can do this, but you'll have to remove the open air filter housing, move it aside, and then you'll be able to get with the shorter one. But it's way easier to do it with the longer one, as you can see. So okay, let's start. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the bracket. For that we're gonna remove this nut right here. It's 10 millimeter, so just remove it and remove this screw right here. Okay, this bolt, and just get it out. Okay, so I took this nut out and I loosened that screw. Now we just raise up this bracket and the screw is gonna come out with it, like this. Okay, get this thing out, and this one. Just put them somewhere here so you don't lose them. And bracket just drop to the floor. Next step, we have to loosen this nut here and this nut here. So we'll loosen them and then we'll be able to get terminals out of the way. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to loosen these two nuts. Okay, so now both terminals move, and let's just get them out of our way. I'm just going to put this one here, somewhere here. This one goes somewhere here. Okay, now here we have our handle. And just, this thing is heavy, so be careful, okay? And just get it out like this. Now you will have to remove this thing here, and that's it. So now when you need to get a new battery, when you go to the parts store, actually you should just take the old battery with you, bring it to the parts store. First of all, you're gonna get some money back for your old battery, and the other thing is you will get same exact battery which is gonna actually fit in your vehicle, because there are different variations and sizes of batteries, and you want to have the one that suits your car. So they're gonna give you a battery. Once you have new battery, put this cover on and put it back in. That's it, like this. Put the battery back in place, close the handle, and now we can start putting on the terminals. So put the terminals on. 1, 2, and now we're gonna tighten up these two nuts. Tighten them up. When we have both our terminals secured, close this lid, get the bracket back on, move the battery if you have to, if it's on the way, like this. Nice. Now let's take our nut, goes here, and there's a screw with a bolt actually, and it's gonna go in there. So I'm gonna, oh okay, well guys, so now just tighten this up, get this screw in over there, and you're all set. As you can see, it's very simple procedure. Hope this helps. If it does, please press like button. Have a great day. Bye bye.